Hi, I'm Rosie Batista and I'm sleeping naked after 40. But today I'm here on behalf of ehow.com to show you how to ripen an avocado, because nothing is worse when you go to the store and they're all light green and hard like this and you need it. What are you going to do? So you want your avocado to be dark green and have a little bumpy skin but not really wrinkled. That's the perfect when it responds back to your touch, just a little bit, to your pressure. This is really hard, this does not. So this one is not ripe. So what we can do is, if you buy it the day before and you want it to be ripe for the next morning, you can take your avocado and put it next to a banana and wrap it. And keep it somewhere a little bit warm and kind of dark. That's where we're going to wrap it. But the ethylene gas that comes from banana will ripen your avocado. So we're going to just wrap it in some paper towels, like this. And then we can just place this somewhere maybe right by the stove where it's a little bit warm and leave it for the next morning, and then you open it up and you'll have a beautiful ripe avocado. You can also use a paper bag if you have one, but you always have a paper towel, so it's that simple and that easy to get an amazing, delicious avocado overnight.